So here's the wig. I love the color. It's so hot. Ooh, caliente, spicy, mommy. All right, it's that. I'm getting too hype. The curls did drop overnight when it was on my mannequin head, but I actually like the soft waves that came from the curl. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna leave that and just touch it up. But first, underneath the wig, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I applied some of that powder underneath the lace. When I put the wig on, I make sure that adjustable elastic band is nice and comfortable in my nape area. Then I pull the wig back and adjust it to where I would like it before my hairline. Oh yeah, and underneath the wig, I'm wearing a brown stocking cap. So the lace, I was like, could use some more blending. And when this happens now, I like to use my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade number 12. And I use both shades in the palette. So I dab a little of both shades, sometimes 3 times, sometimes only twice. And the leftover product that's on the brush, I lightly wipe it on top of the lace hairline. Next, I'm going to use this Wig Dealer melting spray. I'm going to spray 1 layer of this on top of the lace. If you would like a more secure hold, I recommend spraying some of the lace on your hairline first, making it air dry or even blow dry it a little bit until it turns tacky. Then lay the lace on that spray and then spray another layer on top. But because I'm doing a wig show and tell, 1 spray will definitely do for this hair show and tell. And I'm using the Eco Styling Gel to hold the baby hairs in place. In the parting space, I applied some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 to help the parting space pop up a little bit more like scalp. This also helped hide my wig cap underneath and the knots and grids on the lace as well. So the wave pattern that's on the wig right now is from the curls that was previously on the wig that came straight out of the package. And I was a little sad that the curls fell, but I wasn't too sad because the wave pattern was still cute. And that just shows, like, when you wear curls with this wig, make sure you spray it with a hairspray so it can have an extra hold throughout the day. So here I'm just touching up the front, adding like a light layer in the front, and I'm just gonna recurl it as well. Now let's say you like the wig, but the length is just a little too long for you. Don't worry, they have other lengths, which is 20, 22, 24, 26, and then they have a higher 26 density if you would like it thicker, which is the one I believe I got in this video. The hair is silky soft to the touch. And when I took this wig straight out of the package, it didn't come with no foul odor, but definitely feel free to wash this wig if you like. This wig do come in 1 size only, and my head circumference is about 22 inches. So if you have a larger head, I personally feel like you are in for the clear. I would just make sure that adjustable elastic band is more loose. And if you have a smaller head, then you're in for the clear as well, because that adjustable elastic band inside will be your best friend to make sure that wig is nice and snug. I like the fact that I split my hair in the back, my tracks aren't showing, and I can't see my wig cap. A lot of y'all know, like I said before, I like splitting my hair, so I can't afford for no tracks to be showing so nobody could clock me from the back. Also, like I said before, this wig is 26 inches. My height is 5'6", and personally, I do feel like this wig is 26 inches on me. This is one of the best beginner-friendly wigs that I have ever gotten. I love the fact that the lace was pre-cut, hairline pre-plucked. The parting space even came already pre-parted, and I love it. They did their best with the curls. Like I said, it sucks that the curls dropped, but it's okay. It is silky hair, so that is expected. And the lace have a really nice blend with the skin. Once you get it to match your skin tone, you really don't need any product to melt the lace if you need it. But if you want that extra melt, then by all means, go ahead. So thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next video.